Hi, boys and girls, welcome. What time is it? It's Eureka time. So let's start. We're going to start with our fluency and we're going to count 5 tens. So count with me 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Awesome job, boys and girls. Now, let's count by tens the say 10 way. If you don't know, just follow along with me. 10, 1, because there's only one 10, get it? So 10, 2, 10, 3, 10, 4, 10, 5, 10, 6, 10, 7, 10, 8, 10, 9, 2, 10. Awesome job, boys and girls. Thank you for counting with me. Show 10 fingers. Hands up with 10 fingers. Tuck 3 in. Just like this. Put them down. How many fingers are up? Get ready. 7. How many are tucked? Get ready. 3. Say the number sentence aloud, beginning with the larger part. Get ready. 7 plus 3 equals 10. Now say the number sentence out loud, beginning with the smaller part. Get ready. 3 plus 7 equals 10. And now say the number sentence aloud, beginning with the whole number, which is our total. Get ready. 10 equals 7 plus 3. Awesome job, boys and girls. Now let's go ahead and open up our book to our application problem. So let's open up our book, your Learn book. Go ahead and open it up to page 93. 93. Just lesson 13 at the top, 93 at the bottom. So open up your Learn book to page 93. Go ahead and pause the video at this time and press play whenever you're ready and found the page. Awesome. So at this point, you should have already found the page. And now we're going to start by reading and underlining. Let me see if I can make this screen bigger so that you could just see it on my book. And then we're going to read and underline. Ready? Pencils up. Sammy had 6 bunnies. One of them had babies. Does it tell us how many babies though? No, right? Let's continue. Now she has 10 bunnies. How many babies were born? Draw a picture to show how you know. Write a number bond and a number sentence to match your picture. Let's go ahead and draw our math T chart. And let's draw it out. It says that Sammy had 6 bunnies. So let's go ahead and draw 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Does one of them have babies? Does it tell us how many babies it had? Get ready. No, right? We don't know. That's our mystery number. So we could put a question mark there to show that that's the number we do not know. So now she had 10 babies. Is 10 a part or a total? Get ready. A total, right? Because in total she had 10 babies. And now they want to know how many babies were born. So we write a 6 because that's how many we know. Plus, we write a box to show this is our mystery number. Equals 10. How do we put this in a number bond? Well, let's draw it out. We write our total, which is what number, boys and girls? Get ready. 10. And then we write the part that we have, that we know, which is 6. And our mystery number is the missing part. So we have 6. We're going to count on and stop at 10 to find out how many babies were born. So count with me. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to put a B for babies because these were the babies that were born. How many babies were born? Get ready. 4. So 4 is our missing number, our mystery number, or unknown, boys and girls. I write, you write, remember. And now let's write a statement. It says, how many babies were born? Well, we can write, there was 4 babies born. And that's how we answer our application problem. Go ahead and copy everything that you see. If you need more time, go ahead and press pause at the video and press play when you're ready to continue. Okay, this moment, if you're on play, we're going to close our books. You can put your pencil inside the page just like I put my pen. Put your pen, you put your pencil, close the book and leave it closed. We're going to review the lesson first, and then we'll come back to using our pencils. Right now, all I need is your listening ears. So today we're doing lesson 13, and our objective of the day is I can tell stories from equations. That means that from a number sentence, which is also an equation, you're going to be able to tell a story, just like the stories we've been working out. Our key points. What do you need to know in order to be successful? Well, you need to be able to know how to count on. And here you have an example. We also need to know what a mystery number or an unknown number is, which is the number that creates a change, right? The number that we do not know that we're solving for it. And then we also need to know what a number sentence or an equation is. And right now we saw that was part of our objective. I can tell stories by using equations. So by using this is an example. 2 plus 2 equals 4. You're supposed to be able to create a story with this. How are we going to do that? Well, first we're going to identify what's missing. If there's a part or a total missing. Then we're going to come up with a story and a picture. And then last, we're going to write a number sentence and a number bond to match. Let's go ahead and start. So what do we need to find in this number sentence? Let's go ahead and start with step 1. What are we missing? Look at my number sentence. Are we missing a part or a total? Get ready. A total. You are right. So now it's your turn. Make up a math story using this number sentence. Blank equals 5 plus 1. As you make up the story, you have to draw a picture to help you solve for the number that hides under the question mark. So it's your turn. You can go ahead and open it up back to where we were in your book, where you left your pencil, and write on this side of the page, the blank side. So we were on page 93, and this should already be done. 93, and you're working out your problem on this side. You could put number 1, and then we're only going to do 2 as practice. You could draw a line and work up number 1 here. Go ahead and press pause if you need more time to open up your book and get to this page. Press play when you're ready to continue. So now, remember, you have to make up a math story using this number sentence. As you make up the story, draw the picture to help you solve for the number that hides under the question mark. So on your paper, you have to draw a picture that matches this number sentence on my screen. Make up a story. I'm going to give you a few minutes and think about your story and draw it out. Go ahead and press play when you have your story and you'll have already drawn it out. At this moment, you should already have your story and you should have had your picture up here. Okay, now Miss Gomez is going to share her story. Are you ready? Well, first, when you create a story, you have to talk about something. Your story has to be about something. And my story is going to be about cookies because I love cookies. So, here's my story. There were 5 cookies on the table. You can see here are my 5 cookies. So that's my picture. Then I bought 1 more cookie. Here's my 1 more cookie. How many cookies do I have now? So now, in order for me to find my total, I want to know how many cookies I have in total. Well, let me get my pen and highlighter. And now our third step is that we had to write a number sentence and a number bond. So I have my number sentence. I can rewrite it. I can write 5 plus, everybody write yours on your book, 1 equals, well, let's count. We have 5, 6. So how many cookies in total? Ready? 6, all right? You should be writing that number sentence on the side of your picture up here in your book. Now let's draw out the number bond. So I'm going to draw a number bond. And what is my, let me change my ink so that we're able to see. So what is my total? Get ready. 6, right? And what are my parts? Get ready. 5 and 1. 5 and 1. I write, you write. So make sure that you have your number sentence and your number bond next to the picture you drew. Just like me, I have my picture of cookies, my number sentence, and my number bond. Now let's continue. So what do we need to find? Look at this number sentence, boys and girls. What do we need to find here? A part or a total? Get ready. apart, and that is step 1 in our key points. We already identified what's missing, apart. Now, we're going to create a story and draw a picture with it. So now it's your turn. Make up a math story using this number sentence. As you make the story, draw the picture to help you solve for the number that hides under the question mark. So on the bottom now, go ahead and draw the picture for this number sentence and make up a math story. Press pause in this video and press play when you're ready to continue. At this moment, you should have had your own math picture and you should have come up with your own math story. Now it's my turn to share mine. Ready? There was 6 crayons on the floor. Plus, there was also some more crayons on the table. Do we know how many crayons on the table? No, right? That's why we have a question mark. So there were 6 crayons on the floor. There was also some more crayons on the table. Altogether, there was 8 crayons. So in total, how many crayons did we have? Get ready. 8, right? Let me get my other type of pen. 8. So let's go ahead and write a number sentence to match my picture. 6. Everybody write your number sentence next to your picture in your book. Just like it's on my screen. 8 equals 6 plus, well, let's find our mystery number. Let's count on from 6. 6, 7, 8. So how many crayons were on the table? Get ready. 2. 1, 2. 2 is our mystery number. Let's check. Ta-da! Yes, there was 2 more crayons on the table. And 6 and 2 make 8. Now let's draw a number bond to match our number sentence and our picture. Go ahead and draw your number bond next to your picture and your number sentence down here. Awesome. So now, what is our total? Get ready. 8. So go ahead and draw an 8. And what are our parts? Get ready. Yes, 6 and 2. Awesome job. And that is how we make up a math story. Now, it's our turn to work it out. Make sure that you open up your book now. The page where you were, just go ahead and flip the page and go to make sure that it says 95 at the bottom. 95. Okay. Go ahead and press pause if you need more time to find page 95. Press play when you're ready to continue. At this moment, you should have already found page 95. And now our next step is to write our heading. Remember idea 56 and 57. Write your name, date, and goal on every paper. So go ahead and write your name, today's date, which is September 2nd, and the goal, which is in my PowerPoint in red. It says 90% or higher on end of modules. That is our goal. Go ahead and write your heading, and the goal is up here on my screen if you can't see it clearly on the paper. Press pause, and when you're finished writing your heading, press play. Awesome. So let's continue. Let's read our instructions. With a partner, create a story for each of the number sentences below. Draw a picture to show. Write the number bond to match the story. So, we're going to create a story just like we did For the number sentence, we're going to draw a picture and we're going to fill in the number bond. So for this one, let's talk about triangles. Let's talk about shapes. Number one, first way identify, remember a key point, what's missing, a total or a part? Well, a total, right? So let's go ahead and draw our picture to go with our story. Let's do the first one together. So there was 6 triangles. We can go ahead and draw 6 triangles, or you can draw 6 circles if it's easier for you. Go ahead and draw it on your book. 3, 4, 5, 6. There was 6 triangles on the carpet. There was also 2 triangles on the table. So let's go ahead and draw the 2. How many triangles were there all together? So 6 on the carpet and 2 on the table. How many triangles all together? So let's fill in our number bond. Do we have our total? Get ready. No, right? Do we have our parts? Get ready. Yes, they are 6 and 2. Remember, you're supposed to be writing this on your paper. So what is our total? Well, let's count on. We already know we have 6 at the top, so count on with me. 6, 7, 8. What is our total, boys and girls? Get ready. 8. Go ahead and write in your total. And let me get it smaller. Write it in the box too. 8. So your problem should look like this. I will write it here too, but it shows better on the PowerPoint. Make sure that you have a picture and that you write your total in the box at the top. You're going to go ahead and do number 2, 3, and 4 on your own. You're doing the same thing, boys and girls. Identify what's missing, draw the picture, and come up with your story, and then just draw write in a matching number bond and finish the number sentence. So go ahead and press pause in the video and press play when you're ready to continue after you're done with numbers 2, 3, and 4. Awesome. At this point, you should have already drawn out your stories and you should have finished with numbers 2, 3, and 4. I'm going to go over them really quick, but your stories, remember that your stories might be different and your objects might be different. So here, what are we missing? Get ready. Yes, a total. So 5 plus 5 equals our mystery number or unknown. So in this story, I want to talk about flowers. You could have talked about anything different, that's fine, as long as we come up with the same total. So there was 5 flowers in my garden. So I'm going to go ahead and draw the 5 flowers. And so we have 4. I had 5 flowers in my garden. 5 more flowers grew the next day. How many more flowers grew the next day? Get ready. 5, right? So now I'm going to draw the 5 more flowers that grew the next day. Sorry, boys and girls, if my flowers look a little bit more like popcorn, right? So here are my 5 more flowers. How many flowers in total does my garden have? And that's my question for my story, which matches my number sentence. There was 5 flowers in my garden. 5 more grew the next day. How many flowers does my garden have? And that's what we're trying to find, our total. So, what is our total? Well, we know there's 5 at the top, so let's count on from 5. Count on with me. Get ready. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what is our total, boys and girls? Get ready. 10. Now our number bonds should be exactly the same because we're using the same number sentence. 10. And what are our parts? Get ready. 5 and 5. Make sure that you have this on your number bond. And don't forget to write in your total in the box here for your number sentence. 10. Even though our pictures might be different, our number sentence and our number bond has to be the same. If you need to fix anything from your number bond or number sentence, go ahead and fix it now. Let's continue. For number 3, which is on the back, we're still doing the same thing. But this time, look at your number sentence. What are we missing? A part or a total? Get ready. A part. Here, in order to keep it simple, I'm just going to draw circles. So there was 5 balls, let's say, at the park. So I'm going to go ahead and draw my 5 balls. Some more balls rolled in. Do we know how many balls? No, right? That's our mystery number. At the end, there was 7 balls at the park. So now, we know that our total is 7. So let's find our mystery number. Let's count on from 5 until we get to 7. Count with me. 5, 6, 7. These were the balls that rolled in. So what is our mystery number, boys and girls? Get ready. 2. 1, 2. Let's fill in our number bond. What are our parts? Get ready. Yes, 5. Everybody right? Or just make sure you have this on your number bond. 5 and 2. And what is our total? Get ready. 7. Make sure you fill in your mystery number in the number sentence. So 5 plus 2 equals 7. Last problem, we're checking, remember? Again, key point number 1. What are we missing? A part or a total? Ready? A part. Very good. So now I'm going to draw my picture. Remember that your picture can be different, but our number bond and our number sentence has to be the same. So for this picture, I am going to talk about sticks. There was 6 sticks lying on the floor. I'm going to go ahead and draw my 6 sticks. 4, 5, 6. I went to go pick up some more sticks. Does it say how many more sticks I picked up? No, right? That's our mystery number or unknown. At the end, I had 10 sticks. So that means that we're going to count on from 6 until we get to 10. Ready? Count with me. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how many more sticks did I pick up, boys and girls? Get ready. 4, and that's our mystery number. So let's go ahead and fill in our number bond. Let's start with our total. What is our total? Get ready. 10, right? And you can see it here in the number sentence. So 10. And what are my parts? Get ready. Yes, 6 and 4. So let's go ahead and write it in. And don't forget to write in your mystery number in your number sentence. 6 plus 4 equals 10. Awesome job, boys and girls. Now, it's your turn to complete the exit ticket on your own, which is on this page, on page 97. Let me make this window bigger and bring it over here. As you can see, page 97 is your exit ticket. Name, date, and goal. We want to see your heading on your paper. And instructions say, Tell a math story for each number sentence by drawing a picture. So, you have to draw a picture, but I'm going to challenge you to make sure that you draw a picture and you draw a number bond. So go ahead and write in your number bonds. And this is what we want to see on your exit ticket. We want to draw, we want to see, a picture that matches the number sentence, a number bond too. Same thing over here. We want to see a picture that matches a number sentence and a number bond. So make sure that when you're done, you upload this to your assignments. Don't forget to turn it in. Bye.